Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing great. So today, as you know, is the declaration date of PLTY and ULTY. So if you are an investor of PLTY and ULTY, please watch this video until the end so that you can also hear my insights about the Palantir, the underlying stocks of PLTY. So please watch. Let's start with PLTY. So the distribution rate of PLTY as of date is around 50%, and we are going to receive $2.44 per share. So it's still really a good dividends for us guys so far. And if you watch my previous video about the potential or the forecast, at least it didn't happen, right? So what basically happened is the underlying stocks, the Palantir, went up around 8% for the past 3 to 4 days, which I believe help out the income generation for PLTY. So congratulations guys, and let me know in the comment below how many shares of PLTY do you have. What are you planning to do with the dividends? Are you going to reinvest that in the same ETF, or you're planning to distribute or diversify your dividends into a different stock? So please share your story guys so that we can also get an idea what are the good stocks that we could possibly consider in our portfolio. So then, if you are investor of ULTY, we are going to receive at least 9 cents per share for ULTY. Basically, it's been consistently paying us the same amount per share, so 9 cents per share, and overall distribution rate so far is about 86%. So it's very impressive, and we are receiving at least the same amount of dividends for the past 3 weeks. I believe if the market condition will continue to become bullish starting this week until next following weeks, then there's a possibility that we will be able to receive up to 10 cents per share or even higher. So let me know guys what's your thought about the possible dividends for the next week. But that's what I'm seeing if the current market volatility will continue to trend higher. So congratulations also guys if you are investor of ULTY. Please share how many shares do you have so far for ULTY. So for me, I have started to invest 1,000 shares for the past 2 weeks, and I already received dividends twice, and so far it's accumulating my dividends around I have total of 1,032 shares for now. So then after the dividends this week, it will keep growing. So that's really so far good return on our investment, as long as we are holding our initial investment and keep reinvesting the dividends. Then that will also help average out on the cost basis. So let me know guys, what's your plan for your ULTY dividends? Are you also going to reinvest similar to PLTY? What is your plan? Do you have some kind of strategy in terms of receiving the dividends for weekly payers and the monthly dividends that you're going to receive from PLTY? So for today's announcement of declarations for the distribution rate, so far PLTY has the highest distribution price per share. Of course, other ETFs from YieldMax are based on different underlying stocks, so the amount of dividends of course could vary depending on the volatility of the underlying stocks. So again guys, congratulations, and I'm gonna share to you some of my insights. So if you are interested in this kind of video and you are new to this channel, I would invite you to please consider to subscribe to this channel and share your thoughts, share whatever strategies you have in your portfolio. And basically, again, this channel is for some investors who are really eager to retire early, investors who knows how to manage their hard-earned money in some sort of investments like ETF, dividend investments, individual stocks. So please join this group, and together let's bring our portfolio and grow for the early retirement. So let us know, guys, what are the strategies you have, so that our members in this community will be able to also learn from your investing tips. So I'm going to give you insights about Palantir and why I do believe that PLTY has a more growth in the future. So why I believe that PLTY has a lot of room to grow for the future months or even more years to come. As you know, PLTY is based on the Palantir, the underlying stocks, and with ticker symbol PLTR. Maybe some of you already knows more information about Palantir. Please share your whatever information you have for this company, so that some of the members also will be able to understand what's behind this company. So recently there are some articles, positive news for Palantir, that it continues to expand their business partnerships in commercial sector. So as you know, from the beginning, Palantir is actually heavily in having a partners with government business. So like the defense department, most of the US related government sectors are actually buying the Palantir's software, the artificial intelligence platform. So, and then for the past, or from the last year actually, they started to emerge and penetrate into commercial sectors. So like the private sectors, commercial companies or businesses. So it's adding to their portfolio of customers. And according to the latest article, actually, their commercial business partnerships and customers grow at least 93% as of date. So then why the commercial businesses started to use the Palantir is because mainly for their AIP. AIP means artificial intelligence platform. So the organizations are able to take advantage on the power of artificial intelligence software from Palantir, because they have the efficient and easy integration in terms of artificial intelligence capabilities in order to link to their business operation. So there are many types of businesses, of course, that can take advantage of the AIP. And since there are many customers who are giving positive feedback for Palantir software, then some other companies also have started to inquire, and eventually they're able to understand how the AIP is being integrated to the business, and they're also having some feedback from the other companies that the results is good for them. So that's why we can see the results that there are many businesses started to adopt the Palantir. So that's one of the key or the major advantage of Palantir in terms of business sustainability. So why I believe Palantir will grow further, not only for the upcoming years, but even in a decade. So Palantir has, I would say, a complex strategy in terms of their development and their integration of artificial intelligence, which is basically, I think, almost very few only understand how they, how the business or the software are developed. Of course, this is kind of proprietary to each business, and I understand that the information on how their strategy in terms of software development should be not disclosed to other public, because otherwise there are so many competitors that will also have an idea on their own way of developing the artificial intelligence platform. So but according to the CEO Alex Karp, almost the other competitors are really behind on the capability of Palantir software. We can actually believe that statement because from the fact that the US government and even the defense or armed forces of US department is actually having a contract agreement with Palantir to use their software. So if you are the business using the software, you believe really that's the company software's capability, right? So unless if you cannot see the advantage of using the software, then why the government itself is really buying the software, right? So that's one of the evidence that we can say that there's something with Palantir software that other competitors might not be able to offer. And then since now they started to penetrate with the commercial level, and I believe that Palantir will even grow in the upcoming years because they keep on enhancing and improving the existing software, and at the same time they keep on thinking on a different tools or software, mainly for artificial intelligence that can be used across other businesses. So it's really interesting, and I would say the volatility in terms of the stock's share price is going to be interesting for the upcoming not only months, upcoming years, and this volatility will really bring a good return on PLTY dividends. So I could say that PLTY is one of the strongest ETFs from YieldMax, in my opinion. Of course, this is not a financial advice. It's just based on my personal opinion on what I understand so far with the Palantir's business, and why I'm keeping my investment in PLTY for long term, because I don't see, or I cannot foresee that PLTY share price will even go like significantly lower, and it's because the Palantir business will stay for long, and the foundation of this business and fundamental of the business is really strong, in my opinion. So as long as Palantir is improving and the business really is getting growing and being expanded, then PLTY also has more room for the return and growth in terms of portfolio and income generation of the dividend. So let me know, guys, what's your thoughts and what information you have about Palantir, and why are you investing in PLTY. So do you have some kind of similar thoughts as what I mentioned, and what do you think would be the future of PLTY, right? So are we going to receive more dividends in the upcoming months? Because I think at least the maximum or the highest dividends per share that we are receiving so far in Palantir or PLTY is $7 per share, which is really impressive, right? Compared to other ETFs. So I think $7 is the highest, but in very bullish trend, I could say that PLTY might even give us more than $8 per share in the future. So it's just, of course, my opinion, guys. Let me know if this idea is crazy or what, but this is how I foresee in my personal opinion, and that's why I'm always excited to follow the trend of Palantir. And also every time there's a declaration date and announcement of the distribution, I'm always excited to make a video so that I can share with you immediately the information. Of course, same as you guys, I also have a 9 to 5 work that that we are trying to really grind so that we can earn and invest in the market, so that it will help us grow our portfolio. So that's really keeping me excited to make a video for you guys. And I'm always thankful for the existing subscribers who are really in this channel and keep engaging on my videos. I really appreciate it, guys. And of course, the like what I mentioned, the goal of this channel is for all of the members to retire early and enjoy the time with our family and friends, so that we don't have to go work in our 9 to 5, you know, grind even until we are already old, right? So we want to retire as early as possible, but we can only do this with the power of investment. So thank you very much, guys. If you are again new to this channel, please do subscribe, and you can see some of my future updates again of the distribution rates, not only for PLTY, not only for ULTY. I also have some other ETFs like MSTY and CONY. So if you are interested to hear some of the updates in the future, please do subscribe and share your thoughts as well. And I want to feel your excitement in your investment as well. And I mean, we need to manifest what we believe in terms of our investment, right, in order for it to happen. And if we manifest that kind of excitement, that will really give us a positive income and return on our investments. And the ultimate goal is basically our early retirement, which I believe all of us will go into that path. So thank you very much, guys. Please continue to support the channel. I see that it's really growing now, and I also appreciate that you are watching the video until the end, so that it can help, you know, boost the growth of the channel, and we can reach other investors as well who are looking for this kind of information. So if do you think this is helpful to you guys, please share this channel to your friends or family. It's just a small group or community of investors, but I believe if not most of the members of this community are already retired also, who are giving some comments in the videos, and it's really inspiring, and we can only achieve this with the help of each other. So please share all of the information, strategies that you have that can help the growth of the portfolio of this channel. So thank you very much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Congratulations, PLTY and ULTY investors, and I am going to help you also in your other investment, in terms of finding research or maybe getting some information about the stocks or companies that you are investing in. Please just put it in the comment, and we'll try to research on those companies as well. So thank you very much. I will talk to you in my next video. God bless.